Welcome to this tutorial. In this video, we'll learn how to add comments and reviews to your website. We'll explore the available options and customization settings. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to display comments and reviews on your website and configure them to fit your content and design. In Gridbox, comments and reviews are added using plugins. This means you can display comment and review forms on any page of your website. To add a comments form, add a new plugin. In the search field, type Comments and select the Comments Box plugin. The comments have now been added to the page. Let's take a look at the available settings. In the General tab, you can configure the main features of the comments box. Guest Login allows guest users to leave a comment by entering their name and email instead of requiring a full account. Share enables social sharing options, allowing users to share comments across different social platforms. Rating allows users to like or dislike posts to express their opinion on the content. Report Abuse allows users to report inappropriate or offensive comments for moderation review. Images enables users to upload and include images directly within their comments. Files allows users to attach and upload files as part of their comments. In the design settings, you'll find a wide range of options that allow you to customize the comments to match your website style, from basic typography settings to full control over the appearance of the Submit button. In the Layout tab, you'll find standard layout options such as positioning, margin, padding, border, and shadow. However, it's important to note that the margin applies to the entire parent container, while the other options are applied to the inner elements. Let's add a thick border as an example. As you can see, the border is not applied to the main parent block, but to each individual comment item. Now, let's take a look at the Reviews form. To add reviews to a page, add a new plugin. Type Reviews in the search field and select the Reviews plugin. As you can see, Reviews is very similar to comments, but with a few key differences. In the review form, users have the ability to leave a rating as part of their submission. In the plugin settings, you can also disable the reply feature if needed. Unlike comments, reviews do not support file uploads. Only image uploads are available. The design and layout options are identical to those in the Comments Box plugin. Additionally, Gridbox provides the ability to display the latest comments and reviews on your website. This is useful for showcasing user activity, building trust, and increasing engagement by highlighting recent feedback directly on your website. You can display the latest reviews and comments on your website using the Recent Comments and Recent Reviews plugins. Let's add the Recent Reviews plugin to the page and take a look at its settings. In the plugin options, you'll find a wide range of controls that allow you to fully customize how reviews are displayed. You can define the content source, control how items are filtered and sorted. There are also display settings that let you adjust the layout style, number of items, columns, spacing, and which elements should be shown, such as images, titles, text, and additional info. And finally, in the Design and Layout tabs, you can fine-tune the appearance and structure to match your website's overall style. The Recent Comments plugin has the same set of settings and configuration options. It works in the same way as Recent Reviews, allowing you to control content source, filtering, sorting, layout, and design. This means you can use both plugins interchangeably to display the latest user activity across your website while maintaining full control over how the content is presented. In this tutorial, we learned how to add and configure comments and reviews in Gridbox using plugins. We explored the main settings, customization options, and differences between both systems, as well as how to display recent user activity using dedicated plugins. Now you can easily integrate comments and reviews into your website and manage user interaction in a flexible way. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.